You miss this sound? Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. What's up? It's a long day to feast this place. Now I'm here on Fuse Africans to make a new content now from liver, you know. So I want to check some things on liver. Maybe can changes. Some changes. Yes, this place is you know.
It has been
Yes, yeah.
cultivated
Yes.
so that to make it use, you know.
So make sure you subscribe and then you follow this channel for on time now. I will refresh parts of liver now. Make sure you subscribe to give this video like more views and then to enjoy together. How is you? Comment, tell me what you do. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want from this island. I'll see you. Yes. Kenyan wanasema, Kenyan say, habari gani? Mzuri sana. So when you came Kenya, just visit Valueboy Media. Oh, Baba Tash now. And Fuse Africa, make sure you subscribe this channel all. Yeah. You give some love. You know, some people will stay because I don't need any trouble. That's why I say to stay alone. That's why I need to stay alone. You know. So some situation can make you Fuse. Some woman is there, so come this side. So guys, some situations will make you disappoint for some people, bad people, stranger people. So, but I'm here to tell you something, guys. I will stand the truth. I don't need any strangers on my life. All scammers, you know. But my fans love me. He show me love. Let me do something now on there. You know, you miss it. Hope you miss it. Yes, I want to poo. Yes. Tell me why you know feeling why Bombo Club. You know feeling low, feel nation to be aligned. You feel love. You enjoy love. Enemy show me life from Africa. Ooh, you show me love. You silly love. You know, so for me, whoa, yo, stay to me. Yeah. No, guys. So now, the liver. You see the liver?
The river and its sauce.
Huh? Water.
Oh, the river. Water in the river is very dirty. So, Huh?
What do you think about
the river?
Because people want to see the new video from river. So you check it.
Check it.
You check it.
The river. The river right now is very good.
Very good.
Water, I think, is not. I think, but I have seen.
You share a camera. Oh, you don't
I'm
have a
sharing.
mood. You don't have a mood.
The water in the river is very good, very clean for now. But since yesterday it was very dirty because it has the massive rain. Has been rained for long.
All right.
Yeah, guys. So you are expecting a betting video from tomorrow, guys. I think.
So tomorrow you expect the good video from the liver.
From the river.
You show the quality
the
nation.
quality of the liver will
Yes,
be,
the body, there's hot body, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
The people miss buttocks.
Yeah.
Buttocks.
Buttocks.
But so
So guys.
anyway.
Yeah, guys, that is it, guys.
Yes.
So tomorrow we'll be together, guys.
Tomorrow we'll be together, and then make sure you subscribe and then support.
And support.
Yes.
Support us.
I know your channel now. You.
Hey.
My fans, it's not fair.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. From 0 to 900. Aye.
But hey, let me appreciate my fans
Guy.
for supporting me, guys, to reach this far, guys.
Imagine.
I'm very, very grateful.
Imagine.
I humble myself before you because
Imagine.
you are supporting me.
From
You're
0.
making me number 1.
Imagine. 900, 900, 900.
Yeah, guys, I'm very, very grateful to you guys.
But I make sure I'm the first to hit 1K than you. From tomorrow, this video, guys, make sure I give more subscribers to hit.
Yeah.
This is my young boy, but he beaten me. Guy.
But you know, guys.
But fans is always say.
Fans is always.
Yes. So if you bush the old channel, guys, because bush. Just subscribe our channel and then to enjoy it, you know. Yeah, you want to see the new
Just say it.
Kizungu was problem.
Yeah, it was brought by water.
Yes.
By water.
It's coming from Chati. Kizungu. Yes.
Even
yes.
I wondered.
I wonder.
Yesterday I chatted with a person from I think it's what Yemen.
Yemen.
That guy does not understand English at all. But I came to understand there are some parts of the world people do not understand English.
English is a problem. All country.
Yeah, it's a problem.
Anyway, I will try. Where I will get the money, I will back to the school, Memco school, and then to enjoy.
Enjoy, guys.
Yes, because I need to make you proud.
Yeah.
Yes, to explain life from Africa. You know.
Life from Africa, guys.
Africa, and then to get
a
point, to get for good moments. So yes, so my English is rough, you know. But I don't
can be
understandable, you know.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Always, let me check liver. Let's go.
Check the river.
One. That's go. But I don't have a bundle, so. But I will make commandos. My bubbles. So guys, this is the liver. This is the liver, guys. Liver, guys. Show me love. Yes, this is the liver, but for a long time, so that's why I want to back to home, and then tomorrow we'll back and then to take her content. This is a good author. Yes. So enjoy the video from London. Make sure you subscribe and then you comment, my people. Bombo Club. Bombo Club. I'll see you.
I'll see you.